Welcome. Today's lesson is over area. Area of what? Circles. A equal pi r squared. So let's do one with let's start the easy one first. So this is a circle with a line that's called a radius. A radius is a line where there's a line from the center to the edge. So the radius is 6. The formula is A equals pi r squared. You replace the r, the radius, with the number 6. Do you know what is 6 square? How do you say that as multiplication? 6 times 6, 36. So it's pi times 36. You could leave it as 36 pi. You could do 3 times 36 by estimating, or 3.14 times 36. What if you have a circle with a diameter? To find the area of pi r squared, you got to know what is the radius of it. A radius goes from the center to the edge. So if this whole diameter is 20, the radius would be 10. So how do you say 10 square as a multiplication problem? 10 times 10 is 100. 100 pi, or 100 times 3, or 100 times 3.14, which is 31.4 square inches. So let's do some example now. This is a circle whose radius is 5 centimeter. The formula is A equal pi r square. Since we know that this is the radius, where you replace or substitute the radius with 5. How do you say 5 square as multiplication? 5 times 5. And what is 5 times 5? 25 pi. So there are 3 ways you can answer. Leave answer in terms of pi. That's 25 pi. Use 3 for pi. So what's 25 times 3? 75 centimeter square, or square centimeters. Or 25 pi. Use 3.14. So 25 times 3.14. I don't know. So let's figure out. It's going to be 78-ish, I think. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry to 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 times 3 is 15. Scratch, scratch, lay an egg. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 0. 15 carry to 1. 8. So there are 2 numbers behind a decimal, so you jump it 2 places. 78.50 square centimeters. So this is an estimate. This is a more accurate answer. Let's try one more in case you still don't understand what we just did. Area is pi r squared. This is a diameter, but to do the area, you got to know the radius. So the radius must be 6. So replace the radius with 6 square. How do you say 6 square as multiplication? Is 6 repeats twice. 6 times 6 is 36. So it is 36 pi. And let's now figure out what numerical answer is it equal to. We could replace the pi with 3. 36 times 3 is 108 square yards. And 36 times 3.14, I have no idea what this is. Let's see. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry to 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. Scratch, scratch, lay an egg. That's what the elementary teachers teach. I don't really do that in my life. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry to 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. If you add this up, 4, 10 carry to 1, 13 carry to 1. It's 113 and 400 square yard. And that's how you do area of a circle.